This is George's quality cattle breed that will be on auction on the 1st of June at the Gweru showgrounds. As you can see, these are special breeding heifers, a quality breed for you to jumpstart your herd. From the lot, we have 5 cutting-edge Brahman heifers, including the Beef Master to jumpstart your cattle venture. 3 are already in calf, just to give you a head start. In the next lot, we have Game Changer Brahman F1 heifers to transform the quality of your herd. 2 in this lot are already in calf. So again, our master breeder has given you a head start. 2 of the cows are already in calf. These Brahman heifers are products of our successful introduction of the top-notch pedigree Brahman bull. The Nguni Brahman was bought from the renowned Philip Reed, and the animal is registered. It is registered as follows. The animal Nguni Victory 1012. Its identifying number is its ID. It's 100012 RT. Looking forward to seeing you at the Midlands cattle auction on the 1st of June 2022. George's quality cattle breed.